Nothing like baking in fall, right? Hello guys. Combine 1 1/3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. Dice very cold butter into small pieces. Add it to the dry ingredients. Add nutmeg. Now give it 10 pulses. And then add 2 tablespoons of ice cold water. 10 more pulses. 2 more tablespoons water. Repeat 3 times. I added a total of 6 tablespoons of cold water until dough starts to clump together. See, when you clump the dough between your fingertips, it should stay together. Dump that out into a clean surface and knead it together to form a disc. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Use about 1 pound of peaches. Cut the peach into 1/2 inch thick slices. And to your fruit, add 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a little bit of lemon zest. And stir together. On parchment paper, add sprinkle of flour. Roll your dough out into 12-inch diameter. And remember, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. And because we kept our dough cold, the butter piece is still in there. You can see it when you roll out your dough. And now I'm gonna add my fruit. I prefer to add it from the center and make a circle and get it bigger and bigger. But you can put it in any way you like. And now fold the edges from outside to inside. And generously brush the edges with egg wash. And I'm gonna add my galette to preheated oven to 425 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until it becomes golden brown in color. And after you take it out of the oven, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then slice it up and enjoy. Thanks for watching the video and see you in next videos.